Need C wire for new Honeywell RTH6500WF thermostat. I am upgrading my old non-Wi-Fi programmable thermostats with Honeywell Wi-Fi models. These need AC wire, and my wiring only has 4 conductors and no C wire. I contacted Honeywell support and they suggest using AC wire adapter, but it appears my system's air handler units for heating-cooling do not have a control board with a terminal block to connect the adapter to. I opened the side panel. They are first company units that were installed when the house was built 30 years ago. There's a unit in my basement, and one in the attic. All the wiring connections are mounted on the outside of the units. Only 3 wires go into the unit beside a separate AC power line. Can I still use AC wire adapter with this configuration? What are my options to provide AC wire to my new thermostats? Question from user NetJenny59 at Stack Exchange. Answer: if you can, run the brown wire coming from the transformer to the thermostat. That would be your C wire. Answer from user Traveler at Stack Exchange.